Hello, YouTube, Facebook. This is Daryl Worthy with Excellence Janitorial Services and Carpet Cleaning in Bakersfield. We are in the process of cleaning this carpet. The carpet is coming out great. It's going to look brand new. Just wanted to show you here the quality of our work and the before and after. As you can see over here, this area has not been cleaned, and over here this area has been cleaned, and it is looking great. That is beautiful. That's why our clients, they love us. That is awesome. Look at that. I'll tell you, I just received the Best Carpet Cleaner of the Year award. Nice. And that steam is about 220 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's hot enough to not only clean, but practically help aid in the sanitizing process while we're cleaning. That's beautiful. Look at that. Nice. Really nice. Coming out great. So now I have my blower. I'm going to put it right here. This is my air mover. And once I turn this on, it's going to create air movement over the carpet. What this does, it helps to accelerate the drying process. So this room will be actually dry in about 1 hour because I turn the heater on so the room temperature is warm, not too hot. So the moisture will begin to immediately evaporate. If the room temperature is cold, the carpet would stay damp a little bit longer. So during the winter hours, I ask my clients to set the thermostat about 5 to 10 degrees warmer than the wall setting. So once I arrive and I begin steam cleaning the carpet begins to dry up immediately because the inside temperature is warmer than the outside. So that moisture will evaporate immediately. So this is the work that I've done. This is kind of gave you a before, during, and after. Carpet is looking great. So we'll be back here shortly and show you all of the rooms once I'm finished. Thank you for watching. Excellence Janitorial Services and Carpet Cleaning in Bakersfield.